In this video, we'll be looking at ENGAA 2020, Section 1, Question 12. So, we know the amount of winter boots sold is inversely proportional to the temperature cubed. And one day, when it was 8 degrees Celsius, 250 boots were sold. And another day, when it was X degrees Celsius, 700% more boots were sold. And we have to find the value of X. So, let's write our proportionality expression down here. So, winter boots are inversely proportional to the temperature cubed. So how do we write that as an expression? So we can use a constant K. So B equals K over T cubed, with B being our boots sold and T being our temperature. And we already have some information here that we can use to work out what our constant K is going to be. So using this day's information, let's work that out. So we have our boots, which is 250, that equals K over our temperature here, 8 cubed. So K is going to equal 250 times 8 cubed, which is 512. And to work that out, pretty simple in your head, just times this by 1,000 and then divide it by 4 to get K being 128,000. So now we have our equation we can substitute in our K. So B equals 128,000 over T cubed. So now we can work out what our X is going to be. So that's going to be our T value down here. But what is our B going to be? We know that 700% more boots were sold. So how many does that mean were sold overall? Well, that's going to be 800% of 250, because we've got our original 250 and then 700% more. So we're adding an extra 700%, which is 800% overall. So that's going to be 8 times 250, that equals 128,000 over X cubed, with our X is what we're looking for. So how do we solve for that? Well, we're going to divide 128,000 by 2,000, which is 8 times 250, to give us, we'll cross out these O's there, and it's just 128 over 2. X cubed equals 64. What cubed gets us to 64? Well, we know that that is 4. So our X is 4 degrees Celsius, and our final answer is B.